Guys, I'm back with May's Face Story Kit. This is the Forever Fresh kit. You can also subscribe to the 7 Luxe kit where they give you 7 more deluxe, fancier type of sheet masks. If you're not familiar with Face Story, I'll leave all the information down below. They are a sheet mask, Korean beauty subscription service. And you can unsubscribe at any time if it's not for you. They have great deals and coupon codes and packages and stuff like that. So you can just check out the site. It's definitely worth it. I love sheet masks because you're actually getting a more concentrated version. It's almost like putting a whole bottle of serum on your skin for up to, sometimes it's only 5 minutes, or I've used sheet masks that were left on for 60 minutes, but you're getting so much serum and essence into your skin, better results and faster results. So anyway, that's what sheet masks. The good thing that I like about Face Story, every month is a different theme, so it's always different masks that they ship to you, and it's a lot of fun during the spring and summer months are my favorite. But this month, they put in a little postcard. It says, "You are terrific." So cute. So postcards you could give to your friends or something like that. There's nothing on the back. It's really cute though. And then they always insert a card to describe the mask to you, give you a retail price, describe what the month's theme is, and it even describes for you, if you're a beginner, what sheet masks are and how to use them. Step 1, step 2, step 3, right there. Cleanse, leave on, and then pat. For May Forever Fresh kit, this month we're focusing on smoothing and toning the skin. This box is filled with soothing sheet masks that will support your skin while prepping it for the perfect makeup look. Feel refreshed and look flawless while you go out for brunch and sip tea with friends. Okay, these are the 4 masks, and I'm just going to use the card and go right down in order. The first one is called the Face Story Soothe Me Tea Tree Skin Clearing Mask. It has a step 1 and a step 2. This is the step 1, I think, up here. Yeah. I love the packaging. So cute. Excuse my nails. So cute. So it says, in need of a little pick-me-up, our Soothe Me Tea Tree 2-step mask is infused with ingredients to help purify and restore troubled skin. Perfect for helping treat blemishes and acne. Indulge in this calming sheet mask and let your stress fade away. The key ingredients and benefits are lotus flower extract. For moisturizing and soothing, this ingredient will help calm the skin while healing and preventing blemishes. And also has tea tree that helps to minimize redness, prevent and relieve acne, evens out your complexion, and balances your oils without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. So this will be really good for oily combo people as well, because it balances you out and then keeps the good moisture. And the retail price for this is $5. So this is a pretty pricey one. Cannot wait to try it. So excited. The next one is called the Epu Chocolate Milk 1-pack mask. This is so cute. Look at this. Are you serious? Like, how could you not want to try this, even just for fun? It's so cute. They look cute, but they really work so amazing. This says, perfect skin is easy to achieve with Epu's Chocolate Milk Sheet Mask. Designed to help provide your skin with the nutrients for a smoother and brighter complexion, your skin will be left feeling renewed and happy. Key ingredients are cocoa extract, a gentle exfoliating ingredient that will help reveal a soft and even complexion. And it has milk extract, a hydrating ingredient that leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. And this one retails for $2.50. And the third one is a Look at Me sheet mask. I have tried the Look at Me brand before. I don't remember which one it was. I think it was like a bunny one. They work so good. This one is the Look at Me Cucumber Essence Mask. Here, I can show you what it looks like a little closer. You know cucumber is really good for the skin. It says, give your skin a break from all the stress and pamper it with the Look at Me Cucumber Essence Mask. Infused with skin calming ingredients, it will leave your skin looking so fresh and refined. You'll be surprised what this sheet mask can do. Cucumber fruit extract is widely known for its cooling, calming properties. This ingredient will help minimize irritations and inflammation while hydrating. And it also has mushroom extract, which is an antioxidant-rich ingredient that will help heal and calm your skin. So if you have some breakouts or your skin's just irritated, maybe you've been out in the sun too long, whatever, this would be a really good mask. I would like to use this more after I take off my makeup to calm my skin down and relax it. So this retails for $3. And the last one is from Ecuporti Dual Balancing Moisturizing Mask in Lotus Dandelion. I think I've used one of their masks before too, but I do not remember which one. I have no idea. But this is what it looks like. And it says, achieve a more even and smoother complexion while tackling dark spots and aging. Lotus flower extract and dandelion leaf extract will leave your skin feeling so fresh and rejuvenated. You'll definitely be back for more. Key ingredients: lotus flower helps cleanse and purify the skin while adding antioxidant protection and moisture. And dandelion leaf, a great ingredient to help smooth and detoxify the skin, contains anti-aging properties. Moisture. So that's everything in my May Forever Fresh Face Story Kit. I'll leave all the information for you guys down below, and I will see you soon.